Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty over the xken.com. That's the name of my blog. And today I'm going to answer a simple question today. How can someone make online at an early age? Now, I saw it on Quora today, matter of fact, and I read a little small blog post about it. But it's really hard to judge because what's the early age? Is that 10, 20? How old is early age? So in this video, we're gonna go over some ways we can make money as, I believe, well, let's start this way. Let's go step by step. If you're under 18, I believe that you wanna make money online, you wanna do a blog, YouTube channel, I believe you gotta be 18 years old to have a YouTube channel. I'm not 100% sure on that, but for the sake of argument, let's just, it is. Because 18, 19 years old, you're still at a young age. If you're still living at home and your parents, you're a young person, you have a golden opportunity to do something big for your life. You golden opportunity right now to start something from home, not working really. You might be still in school or in college, you're still not paying rent. You have a golden opportunity to start something big. So, when I was younger, 17, 19 years old, I played out of Xbox. I played online with friends, and I played while I got out of work all the time. So I think not most kids, but some younger kids play video games, and one way you make money is streaming. Now, back in my day, Nintendo 64, GameCube era, Super Nintendo, growing up, you play video games, you're a bum. You can't make money doing this. As you develop video games, you can't make money playing video games, but times have changed. You can make money streaming online, Twitch, Mixer, YouTube gaming. You could knock all this stuff out. You can start, streaming, and I think every platform has different rules, but if you grow a big enough audience, you can monetize your channel. And that's one way of making money. And another way of making money, if you take your same gameplay and get in some editing software, some are free, some are cheap, you can then edit your video stream and upload some content to YouTube. So that's another way you can make money. So that's the way I'm about to start myself, is starting a game channel and going through my stream and actually cutting some videos out, upload to YouTube. If you're into skateboarding, you could do a YouTube channel about that. If you're into drawing, YouTube video about that. You could do YouTube videos. You do blog posts about it. You create your own product. That's later down the line, but you can do something now to start. My son, today, he's 10 months. We already, me and my wife decided that we're gonna start him a kid's toy review. He'll get different toys and he'll do a review. We'll put that on YouTube, and that'll be his YouTube channel. So when he gets old enough, I mean, he's not gonna do toys all his life, but at a young age now, he could start that YouTube channel, and people see the progression, and what, he just keep it, and then he can do whatever you want with it. Also, what I'm gonna do for him is start him a blog. I'm gonna start my son a blog now while he's young, and by the time he turns 16, 17 years old, ready for a blog, he'll have a blog already established, making him money. You know what I'm saying? And he has something that he can do whatever. He can check, whatever he niche you want to get into. And if he can find something, kids go do a lot of changes. They like one thing and they'll drop a hat and do something else. And he can do that on his blog. He can talk about one thing, then turn around and talk about another, because you want to start something. So if you're a young person and you want to make money online, try gaming. Try, I think Bluehost, and you can get your blog, start running content on your blog. It takes a year, 8 months, 9 months to a year to get your blog ranked. So you start now as a young person, you're not really working, or you ain't working full time. You're not paying a mortgage. You're not paying no big bills. You're working part-time. You can do a blog part-time. And you can start the blog now, start a YouTube channel. You can start building your Pinterest profiles. Start building you a Facebook fan page. Start adding members. So when you promote products on Facebook, you have people looking at it. When you promote your YouTube videos, your blog posts, your Facebook group is big enough. Your Pinterest group, start a Pinterest group. So when you promote something, You have eyeballs looking at it. So there's a lot of ways to make money online at a young age. Depending how old you are, determine what you're going to do. Like my son can't do, he's only 10 months old, so I'm going to do everything for him. But in the future, we're going to start him a blog. Then I'm going to buy stocks. I'm going to use Stockpile and buy stocks for him. He'll hold it when he's a year old, and then he'll hold this thing for years to come. So he'll buy a stock now for $30. 10 years from now, it might be worth $300. That's another way you make money. You can buy stocks. Now, you got to be 18 years old to buy stocks, but if you're a young person, I'm going back 18 years old. You're 18 years old, and you're 16 years old, and you're 15 years old, and you want to make money online, you want to start a YouTube channel. If you tell your parents, I'm pretty sure they'll be okay with it. You're doing it, especially game streaming. If you play Xbox a lot, you want to stream, and you ask your parents, they probably would go ahead and go for it. But I would, my son. You want to start gaming, as long as you make money from it, and you get paid for doing it, that you'll get okay with me. But that's how I make money as a young person. I mean, whatever you're into, if you're into art, you can sell your art. I mean, you can put your art on eBay, put a piece on eBay, and people bet on it, and you go ship it to them. And they'll pay, you know, what, $60-$70 for a piece of artwork you created. You can sell it on eBay. You can create your own brand. You can create a product. If you like skateboarding, do skateboarding videos. Do skateboarding training videos. What else? If you're into music, you know, check your channel about music. There's a lot of stuff you can do online. So these are some of the things you can do. So that's the end of my video. A real quick video about this. So any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And this is how I made money as a young person. So this is a pretty good opportunity. When you're that young, you can do a lot of stuff, man. 'Cause I remember when I was 24. I wish I would have done this. Don't wait too late. Don't wait too late. You know what I'm saying? Don't wait too late. Because when I was 24, when I was 21, 22, working full time, you know, if I was started the blog while I was 24, you know, 21, 22 to now, 30, 32, 33, 34, my blog, I mean, big. So, you know, when I had my house, I was living by myself at age 24, 25. If I started my blog then, 6-7 years from now, just do a blog 2 posts a week, how big would the blog be now? How big my YouTube channel been now? And now it's getting hard for me to write content and do videos because my son needs all my attention. So it's kind of hard to do it. Now I wish I would have done that before I had, you know, I'm glad he's here, but I had more time to work on my online business if I was, you know, 24. Because I would go home to nobody. I was coming home to empty house, lights off. I could trade content until I go see and work the next day. So I wish I would have took advantage of the time I had. So again, if you're a young person, do one thing a day to push you forward to your blog. Do one thing a day to push you now when you're 18, 19 years old. It'll pay dividends in the future. My name is Todd with xskin.com. I'll see you next time.